What's up, everyone, and welcome to the channel. If you're into AI and vibe coding, you've come to the right place. We're going to learn and build cool things together. For example, today we're building a stopwatch app completely from scratch. Ever needed a stopwatch and had to search for one? After this, you'll be able to create your own. It's a fantastic project for beginners to get their feet wet. For our vibe coding session, I'll be using a tool called Windsurf. You can use any tool you like, as the process is very similar. I personally prefer Windsurf because of its incredible model collection. They have all the latest models and even offer some amazing ones for free, like the GPT-5 Codex, which is one of the best out there. Yesterday, they launched this SWE 1.5 models. It is incredibly fast, and it just cost 1 credit for 1 prompt. Let's check it out today. By the way, if you want to try Windsurf yourself, I've put a link in the description. They give you 25 free credits every month, which is perfect for smaller projects. Plus, their paid plans are really affordable, starting at just $15 a month, and they even have a student plan for about $7. It's definitely worth checking out. All right, let's get back to our project. The key to vibe coding is writing a solid prompt. You have to be specific about what you want. Otherwise, the AI will just spit out a very basic version of your app. The more detail you provide, the better the final result. So, let's take a look at the prompt I've already prepared. Build a Python Pi-Side 6 GUI for a stopwatch with all required features and a modern, user-friendly, compact, and beautiful glassmorphism design, and build a one-file exe file. Let's break down why I wrote it this way. First, I specified Python with a Pi-Side 6 GUI. Pi-Side 6 is a fantastic framework for creating apps that look clean and modern. If I didn't mention this, I might get a very simple, clunky-looking interface. So, pro tip, if you're building a desktop app, always specify a good framework like Pi-Side 6. Next, I asked for all required features and a user-friendly, compact, and glassmorphism beautiful design. This tells the AI not just to make it functional, but to make it look and feel great for the user. And I especially liked the new modern glassmorphism-style, so I added that. And finally, the most important part. I asked it to build a one-file exe. Without this instruction, it would just give me the source code. But by asking for an exe, we'll get a single executable file that we can just double-click to run. No setup needed. Okay, I'm sending this prompt over to Windsurf now. It's going to take a little time to process and build the entire application. This SWE 1.5 model is incredibly fast. Let's see how long it takes. And look at that. It wrote 323 lines of code in the blink of an eye. It is extremely fast. Let's see what the final quality looked like. It finished all the coding. Now it is asking me to run this command to build the app. What I need to do is just click on this run button. There was something wrong with that command, and the beauty of vibe coding is that AI looks the error itself and then automatically fix the issues. And then it gave me another command to run. I just need to click on the run button. Okay, looks like we've hit another error. Don't worry, this is a totally normal part of the vibe coding process. I'm just clicking on the run button. It is fixing issues in the speed of light. It even run the app to see if it is working correctly or not. Then it closes the app itself. And finally, it's done. You can see it right there, build complete. That means our app is ready. It's even showing us the file path. It's located in the dist folder. I'm opening that folder now, and there's our executable file. Let's double-click to launch it. Wow, just look at the result. A beautiful, glass-like, transparent, custom stopwatch app. Let's test it out. I'll click Start, and it starts counting perfectly. We've got a lap function, a reset button, and of course we can pause it. Everything works flawlessly. I'm thrilled with how this turned out. What do you think? Together, we just created our first piece of software using vibe coding. We'll be building many more cool apps in the future, so be sure to subscribe for more exciting projects. See you in the next video.